Hi friends, this is Vinayak. Welcome to my channel Investing Mantras. Today we are going to start discussing about technical analysis. Now that we have understood the basics of stock markets, a good point of view should be a directional view and should also include information such as price at which one should buy or sell stocks, risk involved in buying and selling, expected return, that is reward in buying and selling, expected holding period so as to achieve the target. So the technical analysis is a popular technique that allows you to help you develop a point of view on a particular stock or index and also helps you define the trade keeping in mind the entry, exit and risk perspectives. Like all research techniques, technical analysis also comes with its own attributes, some of which can be complex. However, the technology has made it easy to understand. We will discover these attributes as we go along and proceed further to this episode. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is forecasting of future financial price movements based on an examination of past price movements. Technical analysis can help investors anticipate what is likely to happen to price over time. Technical analysis uses a wide variety of charts that shows price over time. Setting expectations make market participants approach technical analysis as a quick and very easy way to make a quick gain in the market. Yes, if done right, a quick gain is possible. In order to get to that stage, one has to put in the required effort to learn the technique. If you approach TA as a quick and easy way to make money in markets, trading losses are bound to happen. And when losses happen, technical analysis is always blamed. The trader's inability to efficiently apply technical analysis to markets is not considered. Hence, before you start diving deeper into technical analysis, it is important to set expectations on what can be and cannot be achieved with technical analysis. First is trades. Do not use technical analysis to identify long-term investment opportunities, as technical analysis is usually applied for short-term trades. Long-term investment opportunities are best identified using fundamental analysis. Also, if you are a fundamental analyst, use TA to calibrate the entry and exit points. Rewards. Technical analysis are usually short-term in nature. Do not expect huge returns with a short duration of time. The trick with being successful with technical analysis is to identify frequent short-term trading opportunities which can give you small but consistent profits. Holding period. Now you should consider, after analyzing technically, how long should be the holding period. Trades based on technical analysis can last anywhere between few minutes and few weeks and usually not beyond that. Risk. Many a times traders initiate a trade for a certain reason. However, in case of adverse movement in stock, the trade starts making a loss. Usually in such situations, traders hold on to their loss making trade with the hope that they can recover the losses. Remember, technical analysis based trades are short term. In case the trade goes sour, do remember to cut the losses and move on to identify another opportunity. Jai Hind and happy investing. Thank you.